What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get your coins around by train. There is a train right now. I don't know if you can see it, but so all you have to do really place your stuff down. As you can see, I got them right there, and I don't know if you can see it. Okay, no, you can't. You'll see it in a few seconds. It's on the track. It's on the track, don't worry.
Not even the coins.
It's on the track. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. You should. I don't know if you can see it. Here, watch out, Andrew. I'm trying to get a good view. In the train. There it is.
This is how.
Darn it. It's gonna come. It'll come. The grab it, not there, not there. It has to be up here. It's gonna fall.
Here.
It's gonna fall. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, guys. Guys, back away. It's coming. Guys, back away, back away. Over here, guys. Grandpa. Guys. Guys, come on. Over here.
Alright, okay.
Guys, over here.
Alright.
The one that doesn't make it fall off is that.
Okay, watch out, guys. Guys, I want a good view. Stop. Everybody out of the way. Andrew, out of the way. Andrew. I know. You'll get it in you'll see it in a second. Yeah, but all you have to do is place it down on the tracks, and you wait for a train, basically. Just make sure nobody takes it. Well, that's rude. And yeah, you wait. Okay, guys, out of the way. I need to get this. There it is. Can't see. Right here, you'll come. I'm gonna wait here. Hello. It's coming. You hear it. You should hear it. Hello. You hear it, right? The passenger train, so it's coming around. The coins are still there. Wow. I'm surprised. Oh my. So let's check out the coins here. Oh my god. That's only one.
So here's one.
Found another one.
Here's one.
Okay.
Oh, Grandpa.
I got 3. How many did I put down? I put 4.
That's
I see. Try and look for my second one. Yeah, but these worked out. All right here. I got one on my necklace. So these, so you guys, so you can get a look at these. Like rock. Good. Almost up now. Well, this one right here didn't really turn out that good. That one did. This one definitely did. That was crazy. I'm gonna look for my other one. Oh, my Tuesday got, nickel, I mean. That's the list. Like, I can't find my other one. What side did I forget side I put it on. Oh. You don't know how excited I was for this stuff. Yeah, I don't see it. I think I saw it once on. Huh. Yeah, but these did turn out good. So, we're also at White Rock Beach, if you didn't know. The trains come by like at 6 or 7, usually. So. My course turned out really good. Yeah.
Whoa,
See?
okay.
Woo! Ah. Let's look for him, huh? Ready? So that's 1, 2. That's the best one.
Wow, look at that one.
So
That looks cool.
I'm just getting closer with you. So yeah, see you guys probably, I don't know what I'm gonna do the next video, but if you guys subscribe, I'll probably be doing a lot of videos soon. But subscribe, leave a like if you like this video, and yeah, a minute.